Are you really sure your hook knife is sharp? What do you need for sharpening? A hook knife, a dowel, a sandpaper, more sandpaper, and even more sandpaper, and the honing compound. A dowel, a sandpaper, a knife holding very securely, and just start working on it. Okay, so on the opposite side there are more options. I would just do the same with the same dowel because it's also gonna work. The usual way to check whether you're actually going in the right place is to put the permanent mark and see where you're actually removing material. And this one perfect, this one not perfect. So I did 1000, I will do 2000. Okay, and I have a little bit of leather with the compound and try to polish. One of the sides is like mirror-ish. And I can actually see that burr. Okay, so I think that part is done. And a lot of stropping. So it will stay sharp for quite a bit of long time, and the only thing that you normally do with any carving tool is maintained with a strop. And it really takes no time to do this maintenance, like 20 seconds, and that's it. Whatever I'm doing, this is unusual operation and it doesn't happen often. Declare done. Very shiny on one side, and I didn't sharpen the other side, so I want to have it only on one side. Practice piece. So nice.